Hi, Adam Dietrich from Jinko Solar US here at our North American headquarters in Campbell, California. Today I'm here to talk to you about our latest hail and wind resistant solution, the EAGLE G6X. As many of you know, many solar deployments in the US today are being installed in high hail and wind prone areas, and most competitor modules are not designed for those environments. Jinko has long been a leader in hail-resistant solutions to the US market, and we've improved our offering with the EAGLE G6X, taking both hail and wind resilience to the next level. The G6X sets a new benchmark for solar durability and performance. It pairs our cutting-edge, high-efficiency N-type TOPCon technology with our proprietary EAGLE Talon glass, a unique construction designed to protect the module from harsh conditions, all while keeping balance of system costs low. Outpacing our competitors, the EAGLE G6X is rigorously tested and UL certified to withstand hailstone strikes of up to 55 millimeters. By comparison, standard modules are typically only certified to 25 millimeters. By way of comparison, a standard golf ball is about 43 millimeters, so with 55 millimeter resilience, that's some serious protection. The G6X not only has industry-leading hail resistance, its unique construction also provides for unmatched wind resistance with one of the highest certified pressure ratings in the industry, as well as a top fire rating in its class. The G6X is further designed into a standard module format such that it is compatible with all major trackers and racking systems without adding additional balance of system costs. When you need cost-effective durability, efficiency, and peace of mind, choose the EAGLE G6X, backed by Jinko Solar, a proven leader in innovation. Thanks for joining me here today to learn about Jinko Solar US's extreme weather solution. To find out more and ask us any questions, please visit us at jinkosolar.us.